Nassim. Hello, Nassim.
Hello.
Welcome. Would you please introduce yourself before start?
Okay. So I'm Nassim Doukkali. I'm working for Yellowscan since 1 year. And I'm a project manager of the Yellowscan Explorer.
Nassim, as you know, drones become necessary in especially geospatial industry. And there is also no doubt the Lidar also give us many opportunities. I think if two powerful components are together, drones and Lidar, we can push the limits easier. Can you give me the examples that make 10 times easier with using drones and LiDAR together?
One of the key benefits of the LiDAR is the vegetation penetration. So with its laser shots, you can easily penetrate vegetation and discover the ground. You cannot make this with a camera, which is taking pictures. So, for example, you can save time and money for an acquisition. If you want, for example, to analyze some encroachment vegetation, the vegetation around the power lines, which could be difficult and longer when you send an operator. Who will take a car. Sometimes the access is really difficult. So the combination of UAV with LiDAR make the mission more easy because you can cover a largest area within less time than with by visual control of by an operator.
Do you have any example of it? How many times we will save if we use this kind of components?
It's quite difficult to directly answer because everything depends of the area, how the area is. If it's a road, if it's a mountain. But for example, if I give you a rough idea, if you have a power lines on mountain, it's quite difficult to go by car. So you have to send the operator who will walk around the mountain, which takes a lot of time. When with an UAV, you can just send your UAV on this mission within 5 minutes.
Thank you. Can you explain your products? What are you working on it as Yellowscan for today?
Yep, because of increasing demands. So since 2 years, we have extended our project portfolio. So since 2 years, we have developed laser scanners that can be mounted on Minecraft. We have started with the Yellowscan Explorer, which is our own project. And with this system, you can fly up to 300 meters and you can catch points up to 600 meters. This is a long-range system, and you can integrate this system to an UAV, but also on a man. And then we have launched our Yellowscan Voyager, which is our most powerful system. It's a regal scanner integration, and with this system, you can fly up to 440 meters, and you can catch points up to a bit more than 700 meters. So both systems are powerful, versatile, and you can switch from a UAV up to man.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Nassim, for taking time for us, and it's a pleasure to having you. Bye.
Bye, thanks for your time.